Capture One and Luminar Neo are two powerful photo editors designed for photographers, but they differ in approach. Capture One emphasizes detailed manual control and color accuracy, while Luminar Neo uses AI-driven tools to simplify editing and speed up creative workflows. Capture One is a professional photo editing software known for its exceptional color grading and tethered shooting capabilities. It works by offering photographers precise control over every aspect of their images, from exposure to advanced color correction. Its strengths lie in its robust raw processing engine, customizable workspace, and superior handling of high-resolution files. Capture One also supports tethered capture, making it ideal for studio photographers who want real-time feedback during shoots. However, it has a steeper learning curve and requires more time to master compared to simple editors. The interface is highly customizable, but can feel overwhelming for beginners. Capture One is best suited for professional photographers or serious enthusiasts who demand the highest quality output and are willing to invest time in learning detailed editing techniques. Luminar Neo is a modern photo editor built around AI-powered tools that streamline complex editing tasks. It simplifies workflows by automating enhancements such as sky replacement, portrait retouching, and noise reduction. Luminar Neo works by analyzing images and applying intelligent adjustments, allowing users to achieve impressive results quickly. Its strengths include ease of use, creative AI filters, and an intuitive interface that appeals to hobbyists and content creators. Additionally, Luminar Neo supports layers and masks, providing flexibility without overwhelming beginners. However, it may not offer the same depth of manual control or color precision as Capture One, which can be limiting for professionals focused on fine-tuning every detail. Luminar Neo is ideal for photographers who prioritize speed, creativity, and AI assistance over exhaustive manual editing. Capture One and Luminar Neo serve different needs in photo editing. Capture One excels in color accuracy, detailed adjustments, and studio workflow integration, making it perfect for professional photographers who require full control and consistent results. In contrast, Luminar Neo shines with AI-driven tools that speed up editing and add creative effects effortlessly, ideal for casual users or creators who want quick enhancements without a steep learning curve. The trade-off is between precision and automation. Capture One demands more effort but rewards with superior image quality, while Luminar Neo offers convenience and creativity with some compromise on fine control. Choosing between them depends on whether you value professional-grade customization or AI-powered simplicity. Choose Capture One if you need professional-level color grading, tethered shooting, and detailed manual editing for studio or high-end photography work. Luminar Neo is the better choice for photographers seeking fast, AI-assisted editing with creative freedom and ease of use. It's perfect for those who want impressive results without spending hours mastering complex tools. Both editors excel, but your workflow and goals will guide the best pick.